Hello everyone, welcome back to English Fluency Builder. Thank you for joining me today. Take a deep breath, relax, and listen carefully. Today, we continue our storytelling journey. So welcome to Storytelling Episode 5. Today's story is called The Elevator Conversation. Let's begin. There was a young man named Ethan. Ethan had just started his first job. It was his dream job. A big office, a big company, and many experienced people around him. On his first day, he felt nervous. Very nervous. He didn't talk much. He just observed everything quietly. One morning, Ethan entered the office building. He walked into the elevator. The doors were about to close when someone quickly stepped inside. It was the CEO of the company. Ethan recognized him immediately. His heart started beating fast. It was just the two of them inside the elevator. Silence. Complete silence. Ethan looked down at the floor. He wanted to say something, but he didn't know what to say. The elevator started moving. 10th floor, 15th floor, 20th floor. Still silence. Ethan thought, this is my chance. I should say something. But fear stopped him. What if I say something wrong? What if I sound stupid? So he stayed quiet. The elevator reached the top floor. The doors opened. The CEO stepped out and walked away. Ethan stood there, feeling disappointed. He missed his chance. That day, Ethan couldn't stop thinking about it. A simple, "Good morning" could have started a conversation. But he said nothing. That evening he made a decision. He told himself, next time I will speak. The next few days, Ethan started practicing. Not big conversations, just small ones. He said, "Good morning" to colleagues. He asked simple questions. He smiled more. Slowly, his confidence improved. 1 week later, it happened again. Ethan entered the elevator. And once again, the CEO stepped inside. This time, Ethan felt nervous, but he remembered his promise. He took a deep breath and said, "Good morning, sir." The CEO looked at him and smiled. "Good morning," he replied. Ethan felt a little more confident. Then he said, "I'm new here, this is my first week." The CEO nodded. "How is your experience so far?" he asked. Ethan answered honestly, "It's been great. I'm learning a lot." The conversation was simple, short, but meaningful. The elevator reached the top floor again. As the CEO stepped out, he said, "Good to hear. Keep learning." Ethan smiled. That moment changed something inside him. It was not a long conversation. It was not a big achievement. But it was a small win. After that day, Ethan started speaking more. Not perfectly, but confidently. He stopped waiting for the perfect moment. He started creating small moments. And slowly, those small moments changed his personality. And that is the lesson of today's story. Opportunities are often small. Very small. They don't always look important. A simple greeting. A small conversation. A single sentence can open new doors. But only if you speak. If you stay silent, you miss the chance. So don't wait to be perfect. Just start speaking. Even one sentence can make a difference. Thank you for listening to Storytelling Episode 5 on English Fluency Builder. If you find this storytelling useful, do subscribe to our channel and click bell button and continue learning English with us. I will see you in the next episode.